If you thought time travel was just in science fiction, think again. Believe it or not, we have accomplished this before. I mean, look at yourself. You're traveling forward in time at this very moment. But that's not the kind of time travel you were thinking of. A better example can be seen as pilots fly around the world near its equator. Although the pilots cannot move backwards in time, they can travel through time faster or slower than we do on Earth. If a pilot or passenger on a regularly scheduled commercial airline flight is flying around the Earth eastwards, they will be about 20 nanoseconds younger than the people on the ground each time they circumnavigate the Earth. Similarly, if they travel the world westwards, they will be about 88 nanoseconds older than the people on the floor. This is due to gravitational time dilation, the fact that the farther away we move from the Earth's surface, the faster time travels, and kinetic time dilation, which means that the faster an object travels in space, the slower it travels through time. These dilations relate back to Einstein's general theory of relativity that states that gravitational forces and masses can warp space-time. Still, this example won't allow us to travel backwards or forwards a significant amount. However, using Einstein's theory of general relativity, we can understand another means of time travel: black holes. Black holes can create tunnels through space-time known as wormholes that will connect to another black hole light years away. Traveling through a wormhole theoretically would allow for voyaging far into the past or future, but putting mass through a wormhole is difficult. Wormholes are highly unstable, and sending mass through a wormhole will cause it to close unless there is negative energy stabilizing it. Negative energy is also unstable in large amounts, and to send anything larger than quantum particles through a wormhole, too much negative energy is required. Over the past decade, amazing progress has been made. In 2013, Juan Madlacena and Leonard Susskind came up with the idea that quantum particles that are connected through entanglement could be connected in the same way as black holes, through a wormhole. Entanglement is where two particles have inherently related properties even as they move infinite distances away from each other. If something affects one particle, the other particle will change as well. Since information from one particle to another must travel faster than the speed of light, it is connected through space-time with a wormhole. This theory led to a new discovery on November 30th, 2022. A team of experimental physicists used entangled particles to create a wormhole on a quantum computer. To keep the wormhole stable, negative energy was applied to the entangled particles through a magnetic pulse. To prove the wormhole's existence, they sent a qubit through the wormhole and observed clear confirmation that the particle had reached the other side. Now, all this is subject to change as we learn more about our universe, but it sure seems like we all moved one step closer to being part of one large sci-fi movie.